Assalamu alaikum. Last lecture I discussed integration by parts. Okay. So today I will discuss the same topic, integration by parts. Right. Let me start from here. Last lecture I discussed this integration by parts. Okay. Integration by parts. You know, you know this rule. Last lecture I discussed integration fx multiply gx dx is equal to here first function fx multiply integration gx dx and then minus here integral bracket derivative of function fx and multiply integral gx dx, this bracket close and here dx. This is the rule, this is kanun. This is called integration by parts. Okay, last lecture I discussed this. Now see the example. Look over here. Last lecture I discussed this example. Evaluate the following integral by using integration by part. Okay, so this example A. Now let me solve this example B. ln x dx. So evaluate this ln x integral this. Evaluate this integral ln x dx. Right. So how to solve this? You can write this way: integral ln x, and here you can write der 1 dx. ln x der 1 means ln x. Okay, so now you can see here you can take this ln x fx and this one wahid yani gx. Okay, and you can use this kanun. You can use this kanun, integration by parts. That's this equal to how to use here integration by parts. See, one by one here fx yani here ln x. Okay, and the integration gx dx. So integration here gx yani 1 dx, and then minus here this integral this one, and then bracket here tafadul derivative of fx yani ln x, this one, and then hada integral gx yani 1 dx, this one, then this bracket close and here dx. Write like the same all here. Okay, fx then integration gx dx minus integral derivative of function fx multiply integral gx dx and after that dx, this one, using this kanun. Okay, and this equal to what? Ln x and the What is this? Integral Wahid dx. I told Wahid dx yani dx. Integral dx. And integral dx yani x. This one. I told you. Minus integral. See this. Hada. Tafadul ln x. Come. Tafadul ln x yani Wahid ala x. This one. Tafadul ln x yani Wahid ala x. And the hada come. Takamul Wahid dx yani dx. Takamul dx yani x. Okay, and here I can model here x. Right now, see this x and this x cancel. Minabagi ln x darb x and minus takamul Minabagi Wahid dx. Okay, Wahid dx. So this equal to what? How much? Here ln x darb x, and you can write this x ln x and minus आधा कम तकामुल वाहिद dx यानी x, you know this, and आखिर here constant of integration c, right? This way, this is the answer. See this, takamul ln x dx equal to, you can write takamul ln x darb 1, ln x darb 1 yani ln x, okay, but here you can use ln x yani function fx and wahid means function gx, and use this kanun, same kanun, integration by parts, then you will get x ln x minus x and plus c, right? Any question here? Yes. Now come to the next question. Next question is this. Number C. Look over here, number C. Takamul t square darb e power t. T square darb e power t dt. Okay. So last lecture I discussed x darb e power t. Here t square darb e power t. Number C here. Look over here. Number C. Find this t square darb e power t and then dt. This is function of t, the t, and this is function of t, so here dt. Okay, if here x tarbiya e power x, then here dx. Okay, now see this. Here you take this one. This is t tarbiya. So first function you can take this ft, and this one you can take gt. ft gt. This function of t. Okay, a function of x. If x tarbiya the e power x, then here dx. Then this is function of x, fx dx. But this is function of t, yani ft dt. Now use the same kanun here. Is equal to what? First function, yani ft, yani t square here. T square and the takamul. Second function, yani gt. gt yani e power t dt. And then minus here, takamul, here bracket, tafadul. Tafadul come first function yani t tarbiya and the takamul, second function e power t dt, and then here close and here dt, this one, by using the same kanun. It is here fx yani ft first function t tarbiya, then takamul gx dx yani takamul gt dt yani e power t dt minus tafadul, sorry, here this is not t, this is t d ala dt, tafadul t tarbiya, and then integral gx dx yani gt dt, integral e power t dt, and after closed and then dt, using the same kanun here, using this kanun again. integration by parts. Okay, now this here is equal to here t terbiya and the takamul hada e power t dt. You know takamul e power x, takamul e power x dx yani e power x, takamul e power t yani e power t, the same thing. And minus here this integral is close here. Tafadul t terbiya, tafadul t terbiya कम इतने t, तफादुल t तरबिया यानी नफ्सो तफादुल t पावर n यानी n दर t पावर n सालिब 1. So 2 t power 2 minus 1 यानी 2t. And here दर तकामुल e power t dt यानी e power t, right? And here dt. Now look here, this equal to what? This equal to t तरबिया दर e power t and minus هذا اثنين رقم حقيقي. So اثنين سيل هنا برا, هنا باقي التكامل t در e power t dt. Okay, so now look, هذا again two function here t در e power t dt. Okay, so again here use integration by part. Again here two function t در e power t dt, integral t در e power t dt. So again use here. Okay, integration by part. So here this equal to t terbiya dar e power t and minus 2 here. Here use integration by part. So how to use? The over function fx yani t dar takamul second function yani e power t dt and then minus takamul again t ala dt of over function yani this t. Okay, and the takamul tani function yani e power t dt. Okay, and then this close and this here t. Again using here هذا seal أول function ft and this take gt again and use integration by part again. Okay, just remember here two times इतने मर्रात integration by part. أول here, أول start from here. Okay, and you came here and here again takamul t e power t dt. So again using integration by parts. Okay, now look, this equal to t square multiply e power t and minus 2 here, and here come t and there hada takamul e power dt, e power t dt come e power t. Okay, and minus, tell me here integral hada come tafadul t come यानी तफादुल x यानी वाहिद यानी तफादुल t यानी 1. Okay, this is 1, yes 1, and there तकामुल e power t dt come e power t, तकामुल e power t dt यानी e power t बिना भाग आपके dt. See this, right? This equal to what? T square multiply e power t and minus 2 here, and the t there e power t and minus. See वाहिद दर्ब e power t यानी e power t, वाहिद दर्ब e power t यानी e power t, and तकामुल e power t come e power t, same here. And here the constant of integration. Let's see, right? This equal to what? If you open this, you will get this t terbiya there e power t and minus multiply this 2t e power t. See here minus मौजूद and here minus मौजूद, and open this will be plus and this 2 there e power t यानी 2 e power t n plus c, this one. Okay, this one. Again you can simplify. Here मौजूद e power t, here मौजूद e power t, and here मौजूद e power t. E power t you can take here outside मुश्तरक. هنا كم باقي? هنا باقي t تربية and salim here 2t. Okay, and plus here this 2 and here plus c. Our answer t تربية minus 2t plus 2. Okay. Here be careful here. Here 2 times using. One time use integration by part, and then again use here integration by part 2 times. Okay, first time when you use first time integration by part, you come here, and here again integral t darb e power t, 2 function darb takamul t multiply e power t dt. So again using here integration by part. Okay, so now look here, another example. See this example. Evaluate this. Integral if we are mode with x darb cosine x dx, x darb cosine x. Yes, see this example. Integral x darb cosine x. What is this? This problem. Just wait. Okay. Now see this example. Integral x cosine x dx, right? So here same x darb cosine x. Okay, so you will use same kanun, integration by part, because here 2 function and multiply darb. Okay, so take this first, this oval function fx and this cosine x yani dx function, and use integration by part. So see the solution here, how to solve. Integral x darb cosine x dx equal to what is the rule? You have to remember the rule, kanun, integration by parts. First function yani x, and the takamul second function yani sine x dx, and baden here minus takamul and here bracket. Tafadul here, tafadul first function. Tafadul first function yani tafadul x, and the takamul second function yani cosine x dx, right? And then this close, and then here after dx. You have to remember this rule all the time. First function in first function multiply integral of second function minus integral derivative of first function multiply integral of second function and then dx. This one is equal to what here x and the takamul cosine x dx yani sin x, you know that takamul cosine x dx yani sin x and minus here takamul هذا كم تفاضل x يعني x sorry تفاضل x يعني 1 okay and multiply هذا تكامل cosine x dx يعني sin x, you know this sin x and then هذا आखिर dx هذا كامل تكامل cosine x dx يعني sin x, this one okay and تفاضل x يعني واحد and here موجود integral and هذا आखिर dx here, right? Now look, is equal to what x the sin x and minus, see this what here integral वाहिद दर sin x यानी sin x and then dx तकामुल sin x and this equal to x दर sin x and minus आधा कम तकामुल sin x dx integral sin x dx यानी minus cosine x, okay and आखिर here take plus c constant of integration, okay right? This equal to what? This equal to x sin x, this minus and this minus multiply, you will get plus cosine x and plus c here are the answer x sin x plus cosine x plus c, this is the answer, okay, by using integration by parts. Okay, any question here? Okay, now see another example. What is the problem is like the problem is the problem. Okay, so now look, I am using this kanun again and again, integration by parts takamul fx dx gx equal to fx takamul gx dx minus takamul tafadul fx darb takamul dx and other dx, using this, right, again and again, okay. Now see this question. Let me solve one more question here. Another question. Okay. See this. See this one. Example. Evaluate this. Integral x curve ln x curve ln x dx. Okay. Now solve this. Now tell me here. One question is this here. Which function is first function and which function is second function? Tell me. Hmm? Which one is one? Function one. X fx. Okay. And gx. First you have to decide here which function is first function and which function is second function. Now look here. What is this here? X. X means see here कानून मौजूद. Which one is first? First you look here. See here कानून मौजूद. हादा तरतीब. Okay. X means this X means the X is algebraic. X तरबिया, X power तलाता, X power अरबा, X power खमसा, कुल्लो algebraic function. Algebraic function यानी इजी हिना हादा this part. X यानी here मौजूद. See this. And ln x यानी logarithmic function. ln x यानी here हादा logarithmic function ln x. Now see here तरतीब. Min hina. What is 1 and what is 2? Fx is what? Ln x is here and x is here. So which one is 1 here? X walla ln x. x1 ln 2. See here तरतीब. Hada Sofina. Here. See here. Logarithmic function यानी ln x hada. And algebraic function algebraic यानी logarithmic यानी ln x log x and algebraic function यानी x तरबिया x power तलाता कुल्लो algebraic. So ln x is hina and x is hina. So here what is अव्वल is hada तरतीब. अव्वल hada is ln x यानी ln x fx and hada x यानी gx. Okay? You decide from here. अव्वल hada is ln x यानी fx and here x यानी gx. Second function is x here. Using this कानून hada कानून for choose अव्वल function and thani function. Is it clear? And this last lecture I told you, I think inverse trigonometric function यानी hada sine inverse x, cosine inverse x, and so on. And here trigonometric function यानी hada sine x, cosine x, and so on. And exponential function यानी here e power x, a power x, and so on this way. Okay. So you will decide from here. So here what? ln x is clear. See this way. I have written here. Inverse trigonometric function यानी sin inverse x, cosine inverse x, logarithmic function यानी ln x, log x, okay, and algebraic function यानी x तरबिया, x power 3, x power 4 like that. Trigonometric यानी sin x, cosine x, tangent x, exponential यानी e power x, a power x like that. So whatever is in the question, you will see first here and then decide which one is first. So in here, if you see from here, so here this integral, this ln x should be first and the x should be second. X darb ln x, you can write ln x darb x, same thing. X darb ln x yani ln x darb x. So this ln x is first here by this jadwal, by this table, okay. So this is first fx and other second gx, okay, and then this here dx. Is it clear now or not? Is it clear? Yes. Now first you decide this and now use integration by part. Is equal to what? You know the kanun. ln x yani first function and the takamul second function here x dx and then minus takamul here derivative tafadul first function yani ln x and the takamul second function yani x dx and here come dx. This one, this is kanun. Now solve this. Is equal to what? ln x and the hada come takamul x dx. Takamul x yani x power 1. So this is x power 2 ala 2 this takamul and minus here hada takamul hada come tafadul ln x yani wahid ala x this one and the hada come takamul x dx yani x tarbiya ala itne and then here dx, right? So this equal to what? This equal to ln x dar x tarbiya ala itne and minus here. See, hada wahid x hina and hina x tarbiya yani x darb x wahid cancel hina so bagi x and this wahid ala itnain rakam hakiki so wahid ala itnain sir hina barra so hina kam bagi x dx hada bagi, okay, tamul x dx and after that this equal to what? ln x dar x tarbiya ala itne minus 1 by 2 dar takamul x dx kam takamul x dx yani x tarbiya ala itne and akhir to hina plus c, right? So this equal to what? This ln x and that x tarbiya ala itne, you can write this way x tarbiya ala itne dar ln x and minus c hina तहत मौजूद 2 hina तहत मौजूद 2 दर मौजूद तो hina तहत मौजूद अरबा and here वाहिद दर x तरबिया कम x तरबिया and plus c hada answer. See this. Right? Any question here? Yes, this one. Okay, now see this. You have to decide from here. This you have to remember. This is this कानून आइलेट. आइलेट यानी अव्वल आई बादन एल बादन ए टी ई. आई यानी इनवर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन, एल यानी लॉगरिथमिक फंक्शन, ए यानी अलजेब्रिक फंक्शन, टी मीन्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन, ई मीन्स एक्सपोनेंशियल फंक्शन. This is the rule tertib, which is first function and which is second function. Okay, this way you will solve, right? So this D, question number D and question number E, you try to solve by yourself. Solution here मौजूद. You try to understand. तकामुल e power x sin x dx. You try to understand this. Okay, and this E also, right? See this question E, tan inverse x. Okay, so now let me write here more question. I will take from here. See this example. We will get ln x then e power x dx. This one. And then x then e power x dx. See this question. Ln x then e power x dx. Which one is first here? How to decide? Ln x मौजूद and e power x मौजूद. So this is written in the ln x yani here. ln x yani here. And e power x yani here. Yani ln x1 and e power x2. So this is written in the tertib. Other written tertib. Here no problem. Here ln x, this is 1, function number 1, this is fx, and this is gx. Okay, so here you can use same kanun, integration by part, right? You know what is the kanun, integration by part? You can use the same rule. Okay, so try to solve by yourself this also. Try to solve by yourself. Okay, if any problem then ask me, right? So today I will stop here. That's enough for today. Okay. And from tomorrow, inshallah, from tomorrow I will give you revision. Okay. Revision of all chapters one by one. Okay. Right. Total marks. Total marks I will tell you. I will upload one assignment today, one homework. Homework number 2, Aliyom. Right?